Ready to give your event pages a serious upgrade? With Eventin's Template Builder, you can now create stunning event landing pages, stylish tickets, and personalized certificates. It's fast, flexible, and honestly, kind of fun. Let's dive in and show you how it works. To get started, make sure you have both the free and pro versions of Eventin installed and activated. If you're new to Eventin, we recommend checking out our detailed video on how to get started with the plugin. Now, head back to the Eventin dashboard. With this feature, you can create beautiful event landing pages, tickets, certificates, and speaker pages, all in one place. You also have the flexibility to choose which builder you want to use for your templates. Let's begin with the blog editor option to get the most out of the feature. Once selected, click the Apply Template button. Now you need to choose the template from here. Either you can create a new one, or you can edit the existing one. We are updating the existing one. This will open a setup window where you can configure your template. You can choose to apply the template to all events or assign it to specific events. Here is the preview of the event landing page. Now, let's beautify the event landing page a bit so it looks professional. Once everything is done, publish the page and preview it to see how it looks. Here is the preview of the event landing page. The event landing page will now apply only to the specific event you selected earlier. But if you want to set it as the global default for all events, simply click the Select button, and that's it. Now let's see how to create a ticket template for an event. Tap on the tickets, and then click on the New Template button. You will get the ready-to-edit template in the block editor. Just map the ticket field in case you want to add some other tags, or else you can keep it as it is. You can also set the tickets for the preferred event. For instance, click on the Event Selection button and choose the event from the drop-down list. Once selected, hit Save Template button. Now preview it. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Well, let's start again. Here, you can see the newly created template for the ticket is right here. Following the same process, let's create a certificate and save it as a template. Simply tap on the certificate and hit New Template, and then choose the template and edit. Next, you can add tags here if you want to map any options. Once everything looks okay, hit the Publish button. Similarly, you can assign the template for any specific event if you want. Now preview it. Now, in the Certificate Template section, you can see it here. Congratulations, you have successfully created and saved new templates for your event. Tap on the Speaker tab, and you can select the preferred template for your event. There's more you can do. If you want to assign a template to a specific event, simply go to the Events tab and select your preferred event. Then, head over to the Template Setup section and choose the template you'd like to apply for that event. That's all for the Template Builder feature in Eventin. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyed exploring the options. We're always working to improve your experience through new features and updates. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to stay up to date. Thanks for watching.